Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing a new to this channel underwear subscription box. This is HeavenPanty. So, HeavenPanty is a really cool underwear subscription. Basically, why it's cool. So you can choose from single or 2 pairs of panties a month. So the single's $4.99, the double is $8.99. Let's get that out of the way right away. You are billed annually. So they take it all out at once and you don't have to think about it coming out every month and making sure when you down in the dumps that you got that money. Now, the thing I think is really cool is, one, they're super inclusive. They have underwear from size extra small to XXXL. So there's something for everyone. And then they do have 4 different types of underwear they offer. Instead of like a lot of subscriptions, you'll see, do you want cheekies or do you want thongs or do you want a mix? They actually offer things for like mothers to be, I believe. This is the exercise. I chose exercise, so don't get all excited. Think this is going to be some night special occasion underwear, because they do offer that as well. If you're having, you're on a 17th date. So anyway, that's something really cool about this subscription. I will link down below to my full review where we'll go in depth. That just means that I take the underwear out of the package and take pictures of them, not anything more than that. But we will talk about the subscription itself and all that good stuff. So like I said, I don't know. This was sent to me for review. I don't know if this is the 1 panty or 2 panties. We're going to find out. It does come in an envelope. It's super cute. And it has little wings like it came from heaven. All right. Oh, cool. Oh, it's got like a Ziploc bag. Look, guys. Isn't it cute? I can see they're pink. I think I chose exercise. I don't remember. It says hipster bikini, comfy and lacy. That's fun. All right. So, oh, it's a single. Okay. I don't want to rip the bag up too much because I didn't take my pictures yet. I didn't know it was going to be so cute in there. All right. So here's the underwear. So it says, make every panty count, returns, not 100% satisfied with your HeavenPanty, initiate your return here, so you can return your underwear. For sizing instructions, they do have a whole how-to on their site, how to size yourself for their underwear. Any changes to your panty preference, you can retake your quiz. So once you take that initial style survey, you can go in and then update it later. And then to ensure the perfect wash of your HeavenPanty, please visit the link below for care instructions. And then they do have, oh, by the way, they do have a free, I don't know, I didn't look into the specifics of it, but there is a claim a free month from them on their website. So that's cool. Now, these do have the HeavenPanty logo. It's kind of like a boutique tag. And it says the MSRP here is $12. So if you're paying $4.99, that's pretty dope. You're getting a good deal. All right. Let me put these little pins. I love how it comes on the thing. Is so cute. It's so cute. Anyway, I'm going to keep these and use these in my photos. I'm all about that repurposing. So here are the actual underwear. Let me get them the right way because I flipped them inside out somewhere. They're super, super soft. And they have a little bow, and they do have like, the fabric has like a light, like almost an embellishment to it. And then the top is lacy. I think the color is pretty because it is spring now and we want these pink. Also, one time years and years ago, I saw somewhere that if you're trying to make your underwear not stand out underneath like white pants or something like that, or even like a shirt with your bra, instead of wearing the color nude, you should wear light pink. I actually tried it. Totally worked. Nobody knew. But there's that. So anyway, this is HeavenPanty. I think this is super cute for $4.99 a month. Not a bad deal. If you're interested in checking out the full review or HeavenPanty, I will link to both of those below. But yeah, for $4.99 a month, you get a new pair of undies every month. That's pretty cool. I think it's great. Or 2 if you so desire to get that subscription. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.